support families with children from ages 0 to 8, but all families are welcome because parents need support. It takes a village.
Just learning as parents that we are stronger together, and just how when we get together and share different ideas and resources, how you may be the answer to someone else's problems or questions, and how we can even keep growing by coming together more.
Definitely the camaraderie, the teamwork, the newness of just learning different things, and being able to come together as one and have one greater opposition in community, family, friends, and loved ones.
I'm looking forward to meeting more speakers, bringing in more parents for more engagement, so that we can kind of tackle some of the things that we have going on right now in the communities and world around us. As myself learning that I do have a voice, I definitely want to encourage others to use theirs, and we'll be surprised to see what we can actually change when we all come together. I think a lot of change comes more so with the masses versus who's in power, if that makes sense.